Most people don't struggle with video because they don't know what to say. You are all full of incredible knowledge ready to contribute to the world. Yes? People struggle with video because they overthink absolutely everything. And we live in an era now where it's easier than ever to produce content, but less people than ever are actually taking the leap. There's more resistance than ever. There's more objections than ever. So first and foremost, what I do in this group is I invite those objections, those excuses, if you will, and we just shatter those so that we can actually take action and move forward. And we keep things super simple. You start as a white belt, okay? White belt means you use one piece of technology, the phone in your pocket. You pull it out, you hit record, you post. If you do enough reps, then maybe we can move on to more complicated stuff. But most people aren't successful because they don't take the first step. So many people are stuck at that first step. And you know, going on and learning all about filmmaking and how to tell a story and all these other pieces is actually procrastination. Procrastination, you're not welcome here. We are going to find you and we are going to remove you from everybody in this community. That's my goal. And then from there, we're going to see some incredible stuff emerge because people are going to be doing things from internal to external. People are going to be coming from their own source of inspiration, their own creativity, their own experimentation. You're going to see stuff in this group that you will never see in one of those communities where they're teaching the perfect way to make films really well or the best way to tell your story. You're actually going to tell your own story because it's going to develop organically through you. That sounds exciting. Let's do that.